Hey, it's CPA Bishajit here. Quick question, how many times have you spent hours writing ad copy only to see it flop? I have been there too. I remember spending a full weekend to crafting headlines and ad text for a product launch. And guess what? On single click, that's when I realized something important. Writing ad copy by guessing does not work anymore. You need AI tools that actually understand what converts. In this video, I am going to share the exact AI tools I use to write highest converting ad copy with step-by-step strategies. Example and real result. By the end, you will know exactly how to write ads that turn clicks into real sales without wasting money or time. When I first started in affiliate marketing, I wasted hundreds of dollars testing ad copy. I remember on a week, I spent $400 on Facebook ads and get just 2 sales. I felt frustrated, confused, and honestly ready to give up. Then I discovered AI. I started exploring with different tools: ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, AnyWord, and WriteSonic. And within a month, I tripled my ad CTRs and cut my copywriting time by 70%. That's when I realized AI is not just a time saver, it's a conversion machine if you used correctly. So if you have been guessing which ad copy works, stick around because I am going to show you how to use AI to write ads that actually convert, backed by data and real examples. Before I dive into the tools, let me tell you about why AI works better than traditional copywriters. Marketers using AI for ad copy see on average 25 to 50% higher engagement rates than those writing manually. Why? AI can analyze millions of successful ads in seconds, suggest headlines, hooks, and body text that are proven to convert text variation instantly. Without wasting money, think of it like having a team of expert copywriters working 24/7 without paying a single dollar in salaries. That's why AI is not just a tool, it's a secret weapon. Let's start with ChatGPT. Everyone knows it, but most people don't use it strategically. I use ChatGPT to generate multiple headline variations, draft short, perceived ad copy, rewrite underperforming copy to improve conversion rates. Here's the real example. I tested ChatGPT for a small affiliate product. I gave into the product name, target audience, and my goal. Within 5 minutes, it generated 10 ad headlines and 5 variations ad body text. Result? On headlines, double my CTR from 1.2% to 2.5% and ad generated $350 USD in affiliate sales in a single week. Pro tips: always give context, audience, product, tone, so ChatGPT can write copy that actually converts, not just sounds nice. Next up is Jasper AI. Built especially for marketers, Jasper comes with templates for Facebook, Google, LinkedIn ads, and more. Here's what I love. It automatically suggests power words, pursuit sentence, and emotion-driven copy. Example, I needed ad copy for a software affiliate. Jasper generated 5 unique ad variations in 10 minutes. I tested them and on performed 3x better than my previous manual ads, driving $600 USD in sales that week. The key here? Jasper does not just write copy, it's structured to convert based on proven frameworks. Copy.ai is my favorite when I hit a writer's block. It generates ad copy in different tones: perspective, funny, professional, and emotional. Here is story. I once needed an ad copy for fitness product but had no idea how to hook the audience. Copy.ai suggested me 3 different styles, and the on with curiosity plus urgency outperformed my original draft by 25% seated increase. The lesson? Something it's not about the product. It's about the single ad wandering, and Copy.ai nails it instantly. Now let's talk about AnyWord. What makes it unique? It predicts which ad copy will convert before you even run it. Example, I write 5 ad variations for a software affiliate. AnyWord scored them for conversion potential, highlighting the top performing. I ran that ad and generated $500 USD sales within a week. That is the difference between guessing and working within ads well perform, saving both money and time. Finally, WriteSonic, perfect for longer ads, email sequence, or landing page copy. I use WriteSonic for an email plus Facebook ad funnel. The AI suggests copy in my voice but optimized for conversions. Result? Email open rates up to 15 to CTR to 12%, affiliate sales up to 25%, and it's like having a professional copywriter that understands marketing psychology on drum. Here's the reality. You don't need to guess anymore. Using those AI tools strategically well, cut copywriting time in half, increase ad CTR and conversions, reduce wasted ad spend start with ChatGPT or Jasper for quick wins. Layer in Copy.ai any word and write something for productive and long form copy. Combine them and you have a complete AI-driven ad copy system. If you want, I can make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I write high-converting ads using all 5 tools. So if you can, copy my system and see result first. Hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Stay tuned update on actionable marketing strategies. Comment below which AI tools are you going to try first. I read every comment and give the tips to help you get started. Remember, stop guessing, start using AI and turn clicks into real sales. Let's go.